how to play or use your Roblox mobile. Hello everyone, welcome in this video, welcome in our channel. In this video or these tutorial videos, I will share with you and teach you how to use your Roblox and how to play games easily in these tutorial videos for the beginners, of course. So let's start this video, but don't forget to like, to support us and subscribe in our channel. So let's start now. And the first things, you have to come and open your Roblox. When you install it, you have to add your account. When you create your account, it's very easy. It will open directly on your homepage. This is your homepage where you can find games. As you see, I will go to another option and then I will come to how to play. So I will come here on this 3 point where you can find like marketplace. If you wanna to convert your account to premier account, your profile, if you wanna edit your friends, your messages, settings here. Also, if you wanna log out from your account, you can find it from here. Then we will move here. Here you will find how to chat with people. Here groups chat, and here chats, and here you will find your notifications if you are looking for it. And now let's move to how to add your friends if you have friends. Right now you have to come to friends, and if you want to add friends, just click here and look for them. For example, I will add friend who have this name. As you see, I will click him by here, and now I'm adding friends. Now I will back to move to another something to explain it. Now we will move here. You will click, and here you will find marketplace, and here if you wanna edit your profile picture, in here if you wanna edit your character or your avatar. So here you can, there is something free and there is something new you can buy, and this is, by the way, the Roblox queen. So I will back. This is your avatar. I will come here. Here also you can find your game. Here you can search for games. And for example, right now we will move to how to play. For example, you just scrolling here and you wanna play this game. For example, Stumble Case. This is a popular game. If you know it, there is on Play Store. You will just click on it, and here you will, for example, in this 3 point, you will add your friends. If you want to add to favorites, follow this, invite friends, share or report, and here also you can share with your friends, and here you can play. Click on it like this, and then it will take you to the game. So you are joining now the server. As you see, you have just to wait. Click on it and you have to wait. Sorry guys, I don't know why it's going back. So you will wait until you join the server, as you see, and then it will open as you see. For example, we will try another game. We move to another game. I don't know, my phone right now it's lagging. I will choose another game, something, for example, this Rust Clicker. I will choose, and I will, for example, play from here as I told you guys. So you will wait, and then, for example, my Wi-Fi is not that good, that's why it's not want to open it. As you see now, it's opening the game, and now I'm already on the game. Just as I told you, my connection it's not that good. So guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in other videos.